Would you travel to a country also to try local bread? Well, that's what I did.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
This country used to be closed to tourism until 2019. Things now have changed and it's full of tourists. Welcome to Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan, a Central Asian country, the heart of the Silk Road. Uzbekistan is awesome and the architecture is unbelievable, to be honest. The bread is very famous here, precisely the Samarkand bread. You can have it whenever you want.
These heroes make up to 250 kgs of bread every single day.
How do they make it? This is the 3-step process. Step number 1, they make circle from the dough, and trust me, the bread makers in Samarkand take their job very, very seriously. Step number 2, they put the bread on the walls of the oven. Step number 3, they let the bread cook for about 20 minutes.
Behind the scene, they are preparing the bread and it's so damn hot.
Boom! It's ready to eat! How much does it cost? Around 70 cents. Would I eat it? Hell yes!
Is this the best bread in the world? Well, probably one of the best ones.
Do you agree? Don't be shy!